Yeah.
I've got a new phone, but there's no
No pin?
there's no, what do you call them little
The
tools?
pin, yeah?
Yeah. That we call a pin.
Yeah.
One in there. I dropped it in water. I don't know whether it's gonna.
Which one? This or
Yeah,
this?
that one. That one when water. I don't know if it's gonna. I've had it in rice, so for a couple of days. So I'm hoping it might dry out. You know.
The phone screen is gone.
The whole screen.
Yeah.
Knackered.
Naked, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to replace?
Hey,
Do you want to replace the screen?
it's all it needs.
It takes an hour.
Would it definitely work?
Definitely work.
Yeah, definitely work.
You
Yeah.
want to do it?
What time do you shut?
4 o'clock today.
Yeah, so it'll take an hour. So we say
Take an hour, yeah. If you come after afternoon,
12:30.
yeah, half 12, that's fine.
12, yeah.
Yeah,
I've
yeah.
got to go out to drop you all right.
All right, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Are you good?
All done, sir?
All right.
Yeah,
Working.
working.
Brilliant. Brilliant. You're the man.
Thank you.
So that's all it was.
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, eh?
Sir,
Okay, what's
thank
this?
you so much. Yeah, thank you.
£60, like.
Yeah, thank
Thanks
you.
for all your help.
No worries. Cheers.
Thanks
Bye-bye.
very much. Bye.